One of the reasons so many buyers are attracted to Manalapan these days, not only its proximity to Palm Beach, not only the fact that it's ocean and intercoastal, although it's close to all the action, it feels very private and secure.
Manalapan has grown and prospered, and we're having a lot of uber wealthy people come to town, and they recognize the value of town and how unique the town is.
1960 South Ocean Boulevard is an amazing property. It's 350 plus feet of oceanfront on the south end of Manalapan. It's ocean intercoastal with a beautiful tunnel connecting the ocean side to the intercoastal side.
This is really a one-of-a-kind piece of property. It's going to be a 3-level home with incredible views to the ocean and to the intercoastal.
I think one of the most unique and special things about this project is the dichotomy around the notion of exclusivity and privacy and also accessibility, because sometimes those don't go together. Your property is accessible by air, the airport is right around the corner, by waterways, and by road. But at the same time, you are still tucked away on this beautiful, incredibly serene, private and secure enclave.
We wanted to figure out how we could make a very unique project, very special, but also really maximizing the views and the South Florida tropical modern lifestyle.
You really are experiencing the outside. You're experiencing the pools and the water, and whether you're hearing a fountain go or seeing the boats drive by down the intercoastal, I think all of that movement's very soothing.
The design behind this house and everything that we're doing, whether it's the control systems, the security, the comfort of the interior as the design team that we picked for this project, this is the 0.00001% of the world. And just very honestly, that's what we were targeting.
You're gonna feel the elegance this house will have right as you walk in. You're going to be hit with this 2-story window of beautiful water views. Every space is going to be able to capture the sunlight, the movement of the water, the trees that are going to be swaying back and forth. You're going to enjoy that in every space of the house.
It's got all the technology. It's got the rooms, it's got the theaters, it's got the garage.
The underground shooting range, the bowling alleys, the boathouse. I mean, we have so many different elements on this project.
There's so many spaces to relax and really just live your life, no matter if you're entertaining or you're by yourself. It's comfortable, it's beautiful, it's elegant.
The purchaser will have the ability to make and select and come in and change anything that they want. If they want to bring their own designer in, they want to be more involved in that process, we absolutely are going to sit down and go through every single material and everything that we're doing in this home to make it their house.
Our firm has had the novelty of cultivating marketing campaigns for some global monumental properties, and I can say with all honesty, 1960 South Ocean Boulevard is the most exquisite property that we have ever been a part of.
We're trying to do it not even right, we're doing it extraordinarily right. Every house I build, I think of it as my house. It's going to be for me. And that's why I think they come out so beautifully, because we build these houses like it's going to be for me.
Not only do we see this property as an incredible opportunity, but we see it as an incredible investment as well. And I always say, land and location. Does the location qualify? And the answer is yes. Is the land unbelievable? Is it something that's unique, something that nobody has? The answer is yes.
We've been working to craft an experience for the upper echelon wealth of this world. And truly, from the architecture, from us as the builders, from the interior design and the entire team that we've put together, this is a one-of-a-kind, does not exist in the world project.
It's one of those properties that once you step foot on that lot, your mind is blown.